I have shown several types of SSD drives with various formats and storage capacities, but today I will explain the difference between the connector keys of the M.2 SSDs. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. M.2 SSDs have become the most important component for the performance of many computers, with impressive speeds and storage capacities for any need. These M.2 SSDs are small modules with a 2242 or 2280 format, which are mounted on the computer's motherboard, but they can have different M.2 connectors. One of the distinctive features of M.2 SSDs are the notches on the connector, known as keys. These keys are cut to ensure physical and electrical compatibility with the M.2 slot on the computer's motherboard. Some M.2 SSDs have notches for both the B key and the M key, allowing compatibility with a wide variety of M.2 slots. These notches on the connector help prevent incorrect installation of the device by ensuring that the SSD is correctly aligned in the M.2 slot. Here I have two examples of M.2 SSDs. One of the SSDs only has one notch, so it's only compatible with the M.2 slot with the PCIe Express interface. But the other SSD has two notches, with the M key and the B key, so this SSD is compatible with PCIe Express or SATA interface. New computers use the M.2 M key, but you should check your computer's M.2 slot before buying a new SSD. This SSD has only one notch with the M key. The M.2 M key is 5 pins from the right of the connector. This type of connector uses the computer PCIe Express interface and is known for having higher reading and writing speeds, reaching 7,000 megabytes per second. This interface often uses the PCIe Express X4 connection, utilizing faster computer speeds. That is crucial to ensuring the high performance of the NVMe SSDs, and it's ideal for applications that require fast data transfer and low response times, such as video games, 4K video editing, or compute-intensive tasks. When choosing an M.2 SSD, you should verify that your computer has an M.2 connector compatible with the M key. This SSD has two notches, an M.2 M and an M.2 B connector, making it compatible with both connectors. The M.2 M connector is similar to the one explained previously, but the M.2 B connector is 6 pins from the left of the end of the connector. SSDs with M.2 B connectors are generally compatible with the SATA interface, but in some cases are also compatible with the PCIe Express X2 interface. The SATA interface has a maximum speed of 500 megabytes per second, so it has a much lower speed than the PCIe Express interface. Although B-key M.2 SSDs don't reach the speed of the M-key NVMe SSDs, it still offers a significant improvement over traditional hard drives, making your old computer much faster. Before buying an M.2 SSD, you should check your motherboard specifications to make sure which type of M.2 slot your computer has, so that the SSD is compatible. If you buy an M.2 SSD with a B key and an M key, then you won't have any compatibility problems. But a PCIe Express interface will always have a greater speed than a SATA interface, thus increasing the performance of your computer. Although the SSDs are very similar and the M.2 connectors are identical, you should pay attention to whether the M.2 connector on your computer is compatible with the M key or the B key, because if you buy the wrong M.2 SSD, it will not be compatible with the M.2 slot on your computer. But now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. And if you have any questions, write in the comments.